Thanks for subscribing, and check us out every couple weeks where we'll take you on underwater adventures, hit up sandbars and beaches, do some sailing, and have lots of other fun. Check out our links below where we have other exciting channels, and thanks so much for watching. Well, it feels good to be back. Back to the Keys, that is, and at our favorite place to be, the Reef. And just as soon as we get there, we are welcomed by one of the sharks, one of the 3 sharks we'll actually see on this diving trip. In the new series, we'll be hitting out more sandbars, we'll be doing some sailing, we'll hit a couple of new islands, which we're excited about, and actually a couple of new reefs. Thanks for coming along for the fun. These are Sergeant Majors. Count on them to be floating around the boat when you land on a mooring. This was fun feeding them the crackers. This is real time here. You can see I can only hold it for a few seconds because I don't know if they have teeth or not, but I certainly don't want to find out. It was really neat having them swim all around me. And then they started slowing down, swimming right up to my mask, looking me in the eyes. I mean, it was so fun. It was a cloud of pretty, colorful fish. I could do it every day.
They have grown up at this reef.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Lately, I've been challenging myself to swim under the coral, under the rocks, if I can. Of course, if it's a little too narrow or too deep, I don't take my chances. But I feel like I'm pushing myself, and it's more excited to have that little bit of a challenge.
Wow. That was great. You went all the way down there.
I tell you, these 3 feet long diving fins help me to get down to the bottom and of course back up to the surface as quickly as I can. They make it more fun and easier to dive over and over and over again.
Wow. That was a really deep one. What?
It's so
So now is when we spot shark number 2, and I could not resist trying to catch up with her. Again, this is a time when those long fins really come in handy because they sped me up and I was able to get close to her pretty fast. Then as we crossed over the coral, she started slowing down quite a bit and kind of stopped. So that made me think, I better stop and just let her go on.
Yeah, you swam up to him really fast. I was having trouble keeping up with you, but he checked us out before he passed us.
I'm on my own. broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. My darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and disappear. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near, in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares.
The captain is just enamored with these moon jellyfish, and I will say they are beautiful. Unfortunately, you can't really enjoy them because they do sting. And although the captain likes to say, oh, it's just a mild sting, it's not mild to me, especially when they're hitting me in the face and the chest and the neck and the arm and the leg and the tush and everywhere else.
No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
And as we were coming close to ending a fantastic day out of the reef, we saw our third and final shark.
Guess who the last one at the reef is in the water? There's no one else here. We're the last boat and you're the last snorkeler.
I win!
You win. You win the snorkel. Big splashes at the reef are not good, especially when we're filming sharks.
I gosh, hopefully y'all can see down. It is really late in the day. We have about 10-12 miles to go to where we are gonna hopefully have a really good night's sleep, because we did a lot of fun stuff today. Barely any light out, and look how spectacular still. Look at that sand. Don't you want to dive in that? Oh my goodness.
Thanks to everyone for taking their time to watch our little video here. We hope to see you in a couple weeks. And a special thanks to our Vimeo supporters and our patrons. Bye, y'all.